Plantae. Kingdom Plantae contains or consists of eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms also known as plants. Certain plants or certain organisms in this kingdom can be partially heterotrophic, that is insectivorous plants as well as parasites. Venus flytrap is a good example of insectivorous plant. Their cell wall is consisting or made up of cellulose. They show two phases, diploid sporophytic phase and haploid gametophytic phase. They also show alteration of generation. Alteration of generation is these two phases, whether free or independent of each other, are found to be different among different group of plants, and this phenomenon is known as alteration of generation. Kingdom Animalia. In this, heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms which are multicellular and lack cell wall are found. They show holozoic mode of nutrition, that is, they ingest the food. Food is digested inside the body cavity, then digested food is stored as glycogen and fat. They reproduce sexually by copulation between male and female. After these 5 kingdoms, viruses, viroids and lichens, these are the organisms which we were not able to place in any kingdom, but we will be learning about these organisms. Viruses, these are non-cellular, having inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. How viruses are usually found to be non-living, and how they work: virus infect the cell and then they overtake the machinery of the host cell to replicate themselves, thus killing the host. Virus is composed of protein coat plus genetic material. This genetic material could be DNA or RNA. Only one kind of genetic material is present. AIDS, common flu, which is also known as common cold, etc., is because of virus, and many other fatal diseases is also found in human beings as well as plants and animals because of viruses. Viroids. Viroids are believed or found to be smaller than virus. They have free RNA and the protein coat which was present in virus is absent here. In 1971, Theo Diner for the first time discovered viroids. It was found to be the cause of potato spindle tuber disease. Lichens. Lichens are the symbiotic association or relationship amongst algae and fungi, in which algae prepares the food or provides the food, fungi provides the shelter as well as water and nutrients to the algae. Lichens are also known as pollution indicators because they do not grow in the areas where pollution is present. So, these are the 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia, and apart these 5 kingdoms, viruses, viroids and lichens have also been classified.